And we live. You know what I'm saying? See what we're working with. See what Pan W doing. I'm still in it. I ain't gonna lie. The 4 hour did close above, but and it closed above here. But we had this green right here, and on the 2 hour, we got this possible head and shoulders. So I just decided to stay in it. But we'll see what it do today. See what Ice doing. Yeah, good thing I got out of that. I'm gonna go ahead exit. I got in Euro JPY last night. You know what I'm saying? Got in for buys. Got in at this is where I would, the wicks don't pass this. So, and if you look, it likes to stagnate for a little bit, then drop. Stagnate for a little bit, drop. We got this possible triple top right here, possible drop. You know what I'm saying? It likes to do triple tops. 1, 2, 3. One left head, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, drop. Left head, right shoulder, drop. Potentially at least to here. Then when it gets to here, I'll see whether I think it's gonna bounce or whether it's gonna continue if it gets to there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm in that right now as a current. Let's look at Clorox, see what that's doing. It's pulling back still. Yeah, Sersky. It's almost to that point to where it's starting to look kind of decent for the get in. Pull back some more around this area. I'm definitely getting in for sales. I'll see though. Potentially, actually, I ain't gonna say definitely, but potentially. Gold look like could be bouncing off this, or this could be a pullback to continue this way. Yeah, I'll probably get in for buys on gold if I was to get in. Yeah. Sersky. Let's get it in. Let's get it in. Alright. J Pan W. Let's go. Let's look at spot. See a spot though. I'll still be looking for sale opportunities. Me personally. But I'm gonna need to see a little bit more. I like to see a pullback, then another red. Then I definitely be looking at buy. Sales. Dollar Tree. Back to that daily. So we just had this little red day. Buys. Potentially buys for the day. For the week. Yeah. Just pulling back. This let me delete that. Pulling back. next week, I think I'm probably be looking at, you know what I'm saying? You get a green daily. I'm definitely be looking at buys on this next week. This probably gonna be one of my favorites. I'm waiting for a pullback. We had this little pullback right here, but I'm gonna wait for another one. 3 day had that pull. Yeah, that's a nice pullback. That's all. Let me get rid of that. Home Depot. Uh-oh. Let me see. This could be a possible reversal point, but 4 hour, 2 hour. Yeah. At first sight, it looks like sales, but it could potentially keep coming down all the way to here, do some random stuff all the way to here, and go back up. But the way it moved, let me see. Yeah, it could. It could come up a little bit to come back down somewhere in here. Bam, continue up or down, whichever way you want to look at it. But I like that for sales. PNW, LJPY. Getting a lot of wicks. And the buyers and sellers are in a battle right now. And I'm gonna remain solid. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna stay in that. Ooh, Izzy DK. Ooh. I wish I'd have seen that pullback. Well, now it's still a good time to get in, but nah. That pullback to previous. Ooh, I could have got in right here. Bam. Took that to the downside. It'll probably pull back again, because if you look, it kind of moves like that. Nah, over here, these red, when it went red, it went crazy. But even when it came back, it's still following structure. You know what I'm saying? So it'll probably come back down to here, this area. Bam. Let me delete that one. Move this one up. Come back down to right there. I'm gonna be looking for sales. Ooh, the 2 hours show it nice. Yes, sir. Come back down. Bow. Hit. I'm gonna knock him out. I'm gonna knock that boy out. You feel me? I'm gonna knock that boy out. Somebody better get him. Let's see. That could potentially be the extent of that pullback, but I don't want to risk it. I'm gonna need a deeper pullback, bro. The daily like the. I'm gonna need a deeper pullback, my boy, for me to be interested. But yeah, let's go keep looking at. Y'all, IBM weekly. A lot of consolidation, boy. That's crazy. Definitely look like we at this part of the market where it wants to. So I'll definitely be looking at nothing but sales. Me personally, it looked like this the previous high low. Came down to it. Now it's getting a red candle. I definitely say sales is looking decent. Delete all this stuff. Look, weekly bottom reversal to upside possible. Tell you, boy be calling it, man. Boy be calling it. See, I'm getting the market. I just gotta focus on. I gotta work on my execution. I gotta focus on when to get in, when to get out. Cause look at that, got in at the exact moment. Like that's crazy, bro. That's crazy work. But at the same time, that's still. I mean, that's still. It didn't look bad at the time. It just as soon as I got in, it hit this right here, and that looked crazy. With the 4 hour, yeah, looks stupid. It's all good. It's all good. Solid. Everywhere I go. Ice. AVGO. Where we at? Upside potential. Looks like a lot of upside potential, man. Oh yeah. Ooh, that look like great upside potential. This way. I'm talking about this way. We get a pullback. Look like it already might have did it right here. Come pull back to right there to continue this, but I don't think so. I'm gonna need to see more. Nah, I don't know. It's rounding out right here. Let me see how it moves. Yeah, I would like to wait for a pullback. We still got all the way up to here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna wait. That's probably a next week to the upside play. I don't know what that's doing. Look like creating a double bottom. So this is like how I route. No, my phone gets it out. What this old? Nah, I got out of that this week. Ice Pan W and O'Reilly. I need to add Euro JPY to the list. PY. Euro JPY. Phone, I'm alright. I'm doing better in life. Tight. When I see you again, you might be ballin' like Mike. I'm trying to get with you tonight. If it come down below here, do something like this right here. Doot doot. I'm gonna be looking for buys. Hold up, the 8 hours. Yeah, that was the one thing I was originally. I might get in. Nah, I ain't gonna get in now. It could just create this right here to come keep going up. Nah, I ain't gonna get in right now. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait till it show me it wanna come down and, continue the trend. Cause we are. Nah. This thing like to go red. So I'll wait on that for sure. Cause it's curving. This could be the end of the curve to then go that way. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see. Just like this. Bam, bam. Shoom, bam, bam. And then continue to the other side. But also could potentially not. So I'm gonna wait. That's why I gotta wait and see. Alright, O'Reilly. Let's go back to O'Reilly. Nah. I'm not even looking at that right now, bro. Sprite. On my right. I'm doing better in life. When I see you again, you might ballin' like Mike. Trying to get with you tonight. Ooh, green bean. I would definitely say that's green bean time. I would definitely say that look like Green Bean City. Green Bean. Get a pullback like up to here somewhere. I would like to get in. But when it dropped, it dropped. So I'm still gonna wait. I'm waiting for some sort of pullback. Look like we just had it. Boom, 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 boom. But I'm still gonna wait. That one look good too for buys next week. Come back up to like somewhere in here. Be definitely looking for buys. Yeah, buys. I'm trying to get with you tonight. Boom. But look what it did right here. When it came below, came up. Look right there, right here. Came below, came up. Could potentially drop after this. But I like to see it come somewhere up here though. But if you don't get it, oh no, it looked like, yeah. That looked like a curvature to come up. Then possibly, potentially creating that right shoulder over here. Bam, then hit it down. That's probably a next week play potentially. MU just on the going crazy. They're on the spree, boy. They're going stupid. Apple. Probably. Yeah, it's at the bottom. I wouldn't be. I'd be looking at sell opportunities, probably most likely. It depends. We create consolidation in this area. It's either gonna break this way or break this right here to come keep going. I'm gonna be looking for that. Pan W, we already in that. Or I'm already in that. Coming back up. RTX coming back up. Let's see where it comes up to. Starbucks. And came back up. With the monthly. Yeah, it could be doing anything right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But we are creating this little funnel right now. And then we got this, another little one right here. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at the greenery. Yeah, I'll be looking at buys. If it come back up to here, I might get in for a buy. But I don't know about this week, bro. Like I said, because of that holiday, I'm already tripping on paying W. I don't think that's gonna get to hear about it. But we got tomorrow, and we ain't even got all day tomorrow. We got till 1 o'clock, and then Friday. Yeah, so it's not looking too good for this trade. But that's cool. I ain't tripping. It is what it is. Let me look at my other one. DHTH. We back at the top. Probably buy some more shares right here. But I ain't going to. I'm gonna chill on it. Chill on it. Chill on what I got for that one. Trying to get with you tonight. Man, I was waiting for a pullback for sure. Or be looking for sales. Either wait for the pullback or look for sales. That do look good for sales, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But it be doing this right here too, so I don't know. It come down in here, start creating a double bottom, then I'll be looking for sales for sure. But as of right now, I'm chilling. Oh, AC just kicked on. Let me go get a down jacket. All right. flash sales. I might get in. What's this? 216. Let me see. Should I get in the sales for the day? Let me go look. Oh no, I'm kind of. What is it? TM. They ain't got no liquidity. Nah, nah. And they move by tens, so I'm good. I'm good. I'm good on that one. TMUS. Got this potential double top up here. Came back down. It's either a pullback or a reversal. You know, when we get that relative double tops, bro, it looks like it be reversing. So let's go to the major. See what we doing. The weekly, monthly. This the biggest pullback almost has ever had. So yeah, this probably the end of that. Probably looking at buys. It's probably gonna consolidate in this area and then do something like that, or do something like that. Either way, I'm gonna be waiting on something like this or something like this. Yeah. So for right now, I'm not interested. UNH, I called it, bro. I said this was probably the. Ooh, I should have got in my buy, but it's all good. I like how that 4 hour look. I really do. This went from 327, 334. Oh my gosh, 327 to 334. That's like $7. Ooh. Yeah, that would have been some. That would have been a little bit. It wouldn't have been much. I want another one. I want another one. Alright. Me personally, I'll be looking at buys for this. Do this even got? I don't even know if this one got options. WNB. Yep, they sure do. And they cheap. And they go by $1 at a time. 59. Oh, that's why. Yeah, because they don't move like that. 59. Well, yeah, they do. Yeah. 57. 58. 59. Ooh, should I get it for buys? We only got today, tomorrow, What do I think? Do I think this was the reversal point? I mean, looking at it, it came down, came down. This past that. It could potentially, I mean, it could potentially come up to here to create a week. 3 day, 3 day shows are pretty good. You know, we did surpass this, and it is starting to round out. I actually really like this one for, like overall as a how it moves. It's just in consolidation right now, pretty much. But boy, I might get in fives potentially. But this could also be let's go down 4 hour. We could see a pullback up to here. 2 hour show is nice. But we also got this relative double bottom potentially. And the reason why I say relative, because if you look, like the double bottoms don't really be like like they don't be exact. You know what I'm saying? Well, I guess that one kind of is. God dang. To my eyes, it did look like it wasn't, but sheesh, it kind of did. What about this one? Yeah. Where another one at? This one though. See how it came up above a little bit, then look for another one. This head and shoulders. But yeah. But yeah, we done came, and then it came back above a little bit. Could potentially be a double bottom for the reversal. But if we come up to here, I might be looking to get into some buys, man. How much would this? 350, 59 to, didn't even get to 60. So it really wouldn't have made nothing. And they spread is kind of high. Nah, I ain't even finna worry about that one. Wow. What's about to do? Go to WNB. Next, Walmart. Go to the daily. Definitely wait on the weekly. Probably need more of a pullback. This could be the extent of the pullback, though. We'll see. It drop below here, then come back, then talk on my phone because it's out. cat. Left head, potential right shoulder, or potential continuation. Come up, continuation to the upside. We'll see. But that definitely look like reversal signs. You know what I'm saying? Come down, spike real quick, then come down, create another right shoulder to head. Come down, spike real quick, head, shoulder, head, down. We'll see. At the same time, though, when it goes, it goes. Do the monthly. The monthly don't even be wicking like that. Unless it is a reversal, so this probably is a reversal to the downside. 3-day, daily, 4 hour. Oh, the 4 hours show it. Starting to create this. We don't know how far that's gonna go though. Know what I'm saying? But if you riding the wave, I'll be looking at sales for right now. Let's see what Panda be doing. I'm really about to get out of that one. But yeah. I should have just stuck to my plan and not even trading this week. For the rest of the week, yeah, I'm not trading on stocks. I'm just trading on Forex. But I'm still gonna look though. Close position. Everywhere that's bay. What's up? Out the car you can be trade. Say they outside. Okay. Let me know. Close. Just close it at 18, bruh. I'm out. Got out. $43. 10. Target 192. YN. Y out. Dang. Wow. Broke my word to myself that that's not. Well, that is part of the reason. So, broke my word to myself that I would not trade stocks this week. That's one. Two, not enough time left to to achieve profitability. Utility in this week, and what else? Price did not react from previous higher low like I thought it would. Like I thought it would, which could be an assumption problem. Okay. Now, I'm trying to get with you tonight. Yo, JPY, we good on that though. For now. Let's see what it keep doing. But y'all, and even paying W, it still might have a you never know. Cause when it go green, it do go green. But it's looking like it wanna correct, it wanna start coming back up. So, and it usually don't even do that. That's crazy. Let me look. I'm looking for an example. I guess right here. It kind of did it. Yeah, it kind of did it right here. Doop. Yeah, but yeah. Alright, so I'm out of that. I'm about to stop watching it. Whoa. Hey, I walk on Jimmy and smoke on loud. I got perfect attendance. Bring that work to your town. This one going stupid. Let's see. Y'all wait for a pullback. And when it goes red, it look right here. It looks the exact same, bro. Know what I'm saying? Had this, then look, got this now. So I'll be waiting for a pullback down to here somewhere. Let me delete all that. Did I get it? Nah, I ain't get that. That's old. So get a pullback down to here. I'll definitely be looking for sales. I'll definitely be looking for sales. Bring that work to your town. Uh-oh. It's doing exactly what I thought it was gonna do. Let's see what happens. That's old. Let me get rid of all this. This old too, but I just wanted to have it up there to remind myself that I'm the coldest. You know what I'm saying? I'm the coldest. I don't care what nobody say. And I'm finna be making millions off this shit, man. Finna be making millions. Yeah, this look like a next week set up for next week though. If I gotta be honest. Definitely look like a setup for next week. I'm not trading no more on this one. But daily, I don't wanna drive. Got some set, pull it up. On it. And I'm hot as a sauna. Me out the corner. Cause marijuana. And the shoes on me. I walk on Jimmy. I got perfect attendance. I like to see a little bit more of a pullback, but if we start creating consolidation, I'm gonna get in for the buy. I'm gonna get in for the buy next week. Uh-huh. Be okay. That's big boy money. I ain't worried about that right now. It's big boy money. Oh, we get a pull reversal right here. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, we get a. I hope it do it. I hope we get a reversal to come back up, do something like this. Ooh, we get up here. We get up here. Hey, man. Shit, I like it to get it up in this area somewhere. Probably like right here. Retest this little area right here because we got multiple touches. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, I hit it. Now I know the key for that. What the hell? I guess I'm gonna have to go right here. Put it on my soul. Or let me see. Was it this one? Nah, it's just different. But yeah, got multiple touches in this area. Bam, bam, bam. And then I don't even want to look left. Oh, we ain't got no left. Yeah. But it also could potentially be doing something like this to continue. But this is what? This is March 2020. This was with that tariff stuff. So next week. Ooh, I'm gonna be looking for buys. I can't wait. But next week I'm finna tear this market up, boy. I'm finna tear this market up. Yeah, this week. Yeah. This market mine next week, boy. She was right. Oh, look at the sale opportunities that look good. No, you can TV made you see it. Sheesh, this thing going crazy. I like this one because when it gets in the trend, it's in the trend. But when we consolidating, yeah, we consolidating. But for the most part, this was 2000s. Doom. It looked exactly like this. This part that would look exactly like this, look exactly the same, bro. So what I'm thinking is, this is the end. We're probably gonna come up and get a rejection from in here to continue, and then do something like this, and this, and this, and this. That's what I'm thinking. Three-day, daily. $4 hour. Yeah. Yes, sir. Next week, I might be looking for sales on this, maybe. I might be looking for sales on this. I think it's going to go red. Ooh, it done pulled back. Let me see. It done pulled back. Let's see if it's going to have some consolidation in this area. Where we at overall though? Let me check that too. We at the very bottom of price that average degree, and it could do some stuff like this, some choppiness, or it could have a pullback. I'll be waiting. This one I'm not too certain on, but if I had to say right now, it still look good for buys. But we could be at this point right here, where it come down to then start heading, create a little consolidation, then head. We'll see. Oh, I just need a girlfriend. I just need. And then it created this point right here, so yeah, that looks. Well, I guess it did it right here too. Bam, bam, bam. Oh wait, no, that's not even the same thing. Right here. Come back up and then head down. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Ooh, this one looking good, boy. Pull back to it could potentially just pull back to here. And look at the 4 hour. Ooh. I might get into this for buys. Nah, I'm not trading no more this week. Let me stop. It looked good though. I would like to get in for buys. It was something that I it was something yesterday that I got in, or that I said that I put a thingy on, like I would have got in. I'm gonna have to find that, but yeah. Ooh, look at hood. Oh look, came down, came up, create consolidation right here possibly. Hold up. Hold up. Nah, this look like it could. Yeah, the weekly look like it could do anything. I ain't really studying that right now. Cause when it go green, it go green. As you can see, so I'm gonna wait on that till it give me some solid confirmation. Look at the 3 day. It is kind of solid. I mean, that's pretty solid. Potentially. Wicking out right here. We'll see, man. We'll see. Four hour. Look at that. That look beautiful. What I'm about to do. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get off that because that's unknown. That's an unknown territory right now. This one, we at the bottom of this. Let's see Google. But Google keep going. Google don't play that. You know what I'm saying? So I would like, you know what I'm saying? We get a pull back up to here or something, then I'll be looking for buys next week. But if it keep going too, if it go past this, come back, pull back, then I'll, be looking for them buy. Yeah. Meta looking green, but we got the potential point of contention right here. Let's go to the weekly. What was this? This was COVID. Yeah, it don't normally pull back. That was COVID. It normally stay in line. until it ain't. Let me shorten this. See, I'm thinking by now we could get a pull back up to here though, but I'm thinking by up 3 day down, but we got this potential double bottom right here. But we got this wick right here that looks real good. Double top on the mother freaking daily. Double top right here. We passed this. It's probably gonna keep going to the green. That look good. Boom. That stuff's old. Why I got this out there? Alright. Oh, this definitely look like green beans. Green beans. Green bean next week. Nah, I mean, it could still pull back all the way up to here. But I don't think so. When it go green, it go green. We just had this. Look, it look exactly like that. Bam, bam, bam. But look, it did pull back. It pulled back all the way up to here, then continuation. So we could see that. We could potentially see a pullback. Next week could be a pullback week. Potentially. It depends. I start seeing something like this, then when it get up to here, then you could take buys. But like if it start doing that right here, but we'll see. We'll see. Look at that. On that route. Didn't I say? You just might lose your life tonight. Alright. We just surpassed this right here. Look, like that right there. I'll wait for a pullback. But this could also be creating consolidation. Three day look clean, so I'll see what the clean 3 day do. You know what I'm saying? 3 day look clean. Like a McFlurry. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. I'm gonna need to see something like this. Something like this. Come down, the pull back, come to this area, start creating consolidation. Core ops, we already looking at that over here. Don't get knocked out, though. Cause you might say something I might not like. And if you do, then you just might lose your life tonight. Let it calm down, 113 to 109. That's pretty good. Next week, looking at sales on Clorox. For sure. Amazon rounding out right here. That's the first thing I see. We got this point of contention that is don't want to pass to potentially come back up, but overall, well, actually we got this too. This could left. Overall, this look like a left head, right shoulder to potentially continue heading to the downside. And we had this round out right here. But even though, sometimes it rounds out and keeps going, so I would definitely have to wait on that. Let's look at the monthly. Oh yeah. I would definitely be looking at buys. I mean, I would be looking at buys, bro. Yeah, this look good to get in right now, bro. Got the double top on the 3-day. Oh, I would love to see it have a pull back up into here. Yeah. Next week, I'm looking at buys on Amazon for sure. Right now, but life's still lit. Riding down $500,000 whip for the kit for ice like this. I want it. I scratched them off the list. First about me, word around the town. I'm. What I say about this one? GLD, I'm tripping. Playing trench game, ain't nothing like them. Ooh, I would have loved to caught this. That'd be nice. But now we look like we somewhere in here. So I'm gonna be waiting on that. But I like that. I'm gonna keep that one like that. Netflix. Let's go to the weekly. Monthly. Up. Coming back up to here. Let's see if it break it. We got 1 day left. Oh wait, the monthly end this week. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at buys potentially next week, unless we surpass this right here, because we did also create this right here to doom. But overall, this is still the lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. You know what I'm saying? So, but it as you could tell, it likes to, it does that on purpose to try to trick people. So, I'll be watching next week. Starting to round out up here. Could potentially, monthly. Let me put. I mean, that was the weekly, right? Weekly. Lower high. Monthly lower high. Or was that opposite? No, that's it. Yeah, weekly lower high. And then a monthly lower high. We're in this area. Start creating consolidation, then get a push from here. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. You already bet your bottom dollar is gonna be biased for a little minute. It's gonna be something like this, something like this, something like this. You know, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. But if it keep going doing something like this, then nah. Hold your tongue, cause you might say something I might not like. And if you do, then you just might lose your life tonight. My big brother told me never let her touch me. And if I don't, you'll never let her touch me. Better not come half stepping. Look, got a green bean. It's either gonna create consolidation or continue to the green side. Ooh, next week. Ooh. Would've got in by holiday and week for the green bean. Yeah, I'm tripping with that. This the one I said I see. Guess we did get this big green below here, but we could still do something like this, create consolidation for a little minute. Delete that. Or something like this. We need to see some real. It's gonna have to show me I wanna go green for real. Do something like this. As we get old, our feelings change. I pray for therapy. Ahead of me, dragging me, barely, can barely sleep, or even I cannot hold on. I will take the ones I love away from me. Oh yeah, make down purple again. Ooh, we near this previous high, lower high, but we also got this double bottom. See, we create that double bottom, you know, but we had this previous lower high. I fell in love with Kaylin without even knowing it can snake me. I'm chasing, trying to, you don't know what I'm feeling. I miss my fucking dad. 10 of my times been getting hard. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait on that one a little minute. Ooh, but on the 3-day, but we also got this double bottom on the 3-day. Look, when it create a double bottom, it like to reject, come back and reject for a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna just be waiting on this one. But I like the way, I love the way this one moves. I ain't gonna lie. Well, can help you out, my youngins in that north. I would like to see a pullback to somewhere in here. Who knows if we gonna get it, but it's already starting to round out. It could potentially just pull back to here, come back up, come back down, or we'll see. We'll see with that one. Damn. I'm just a lonely child who wants someone to help him out. Had this little pullback. Look at the monthly. Oh yeah. Yes, sir, bud. I definitely be looking at buys. Well, I mean, we still didn't pass this point right here. This a tricky one. I would stay away from it for right now. But we are getting this funnel action. But we also got this double bottom. Oh Lord. Let me delete that. Yeah. Yup. Yeah, that one could be doing anything right now. I'll be waiting. Dang, I do the whole Picasso on that mug. Did it previous high or low? Let's see what Euro JPY doing. Oh man, you're trying to do me dirty. Trying to do me dirty. New Year's January 1st with major market shutdown. Significant drops on New Year's Eve, often closing early or becoming very illiquid as major financial centers wind down, meaning you'll see reduced liquidity and wider spreads between Christmas and New Year's Day. Ah man, need to come on with it. Ooh, this one looking good. Good for buys. I'm the one living lavish. I don't plan for the Mavericks. She gonna wake up and it's up with it and that I'm gonna but y'all, we had this previous higher low. It's easy to see when I make it small for me. It's easier to see. But we had this previous higher low. Next week, I'm looking at sales potentially. Y'all, 30 something in the styrofoam. Spend a day to get my mind on. Just about to go to mass. Spend miles on the dash. Yeah, really wanna keep cool. Got this, bam. Came back up, come back up potentially. Ooh, nah, that look like it's about to go green. Ooh. 3-day look cold. next week I'm gonna be looking for buys potentially. Shoot us a movie. Yeah. AMD. I'm tired. Clorox. AMD. Oh snap! They ain't even. They just now coming in. I don't know. I I'll venture to say probably sales. You got this right here. Probably gonna create a wick right here. Or if it drop below here and close, then but as of right now, I'll probably say sales. 3 days still ain't past this. Daily. Starting to create some consolidation right here. 4 hour. Again, a lot of consolidation. Yeah. Oh, I said buys on that. I know I did. But I was wrong, evidently. That bit going crazy to the downside. Oh, but we neared at the top of that. Ooh. But we also had this relative triple bottom, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we also got this right here. That's just like how rock. My focus just out. We actually surpassing on the daily though. Coming back up. We'll see. We'll see what that do. Oh, we near this. Starting to create a little bit of consolidation. And it moved like that. Look, it moved like that. Yeah. Next week. Ooh, next week I want. Ooh. Next week. I think this week probably gonna finish like up here somewhere. Then next week gonna do something like this or this or this. I might get in Friday for like calls for next week. Let me see. Let me write a reminder. Friday. Let me see. I would have went to 160 to 180. Ooh. Then went to right here. 170 to 184. Ooh, it be moving. Yeah. Next week, yeah. Ooh. restroom real quick. Alright. It's already going green potentially. But I like that one. I like that one a lot. What is this? Oh, this the other one. Yeah. Could potentially go green. I think SPY probably gonna go green as a whole next week maybe. Because there's a lot of stuff looking like it might go green. This look like it's gonna stay red. Ooh, this look good for buys. I mean sales. But at the same time, nah, they look good for sales, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It look good for sale. We had the big drop come up. I'm waiting for something like this though. Or something like this. Something like this. A big pull for a pullback. That's what I'm waiting on. And that's on the 4-hour too, so yeah. Come up, pull back, choom, hit it, get in. I like that one. Cause that's big boy money. I ain't even finna be looking at that right now. Daily. Yeah, this going. Wait, hold up. The monthly tends to stay in line. Ooh-wee. I think we could be going to the green bean. I definitely think we could be going green bean right now. Boom, boom, yeah. Yeah. Duolingo. I don't think I'm too interested in that one right now. Looks like could be left head, kind of right shoulder to come back up, create a double top to then head back down. Kind of like this whole big thing right here. Look, left head, right shoulder to potentially come and create this double top to head down. Left head, kind of right shoulder to come up, create a double top, head this way. Potentially, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. That's what I'm gonna be looking for. Forward, you going stupid. I'm not leaving looking at you. We're near this previous lower high. This don't even move like that. So next, SMH. We're in this like consolidation period, but we're at the bottom. Or was, nah, I don't think this, cause yeah, I think it looks like this. It looks exactly like this. So I'll be waiting for it to come back up to here somewhere up in here, to potentially start looking at buys. Hey yo, not not too interested. Wait. Actually, hold on. Yeah, as of right now, I'm not too interested. Like I said yesterday, I'll wait for it to start showing me that they want to go red and then get in. That's old. Hold your tongue, cause you up. Credit that double bottom. I said that yesterday, but it also could have just came up to wick. Let's go look at the 4 hour. Look at that. 2 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, it's coming in consolidation a bit right now, so wouldn't be too interested in it till we come back up to like here or something. Don't get knocked off, dog. But yeah, that's everything, man. I'm still in Euro JPY. Hopefully it don't reverse and go crazy on me. We'll see what it is. But look, it did all this, bam, then bam. Hopefully it don't do that. Hopefully we get something like, ooh, I would love to get something like this. Hey, boy, that'll be amazing. Or something like this. But it like to do a lot of consolidating before it really drop. See right here, see right here. It's consolidating. It's consolidated a whole lot right here. But even within the consolidation, it still moves a certain way. Still, so I'm confident in this trade, but you never know with the market. So I'm just be watching it. SPY. I think Monster probably gonna be one of my all-time favorites to trade. But yeah, that's everything, man. That's everything. I'm hungry. I got out the gym, came straight to it. Hold up. Boy, I might have to get into this. DJ2. It's not H time, it's H time. Baby, the boulevard is our playground. Elbows in vogue. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.